Okay, in this video, I want to show you how you can add to an existing campaign inside of Systeme.io. So what you want to do is log into your Systeme.io account, and then you're going to go to emails and then campaigns. You're going to choose the selected campaign that you want to add to. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have your current campaign sequence. So in this sequence, I have 13 emails. In order to add to the current sequence, what you're going to want to do is go up over on the right hand side, you're going to click create. And then you're going to create a new email. So existing sequence. We're just going to do this as a test. Okay. We're going to click save. Put the email you want to add to your campaign. Here. Once you have the email that you want, you're going to click save and publish. Okay. So you're going to click save and publish. And then what's going to happen is to activate it, because it's a sequence, you're going to want to put it where you want the email to follow. So in mine, it is the last email, which is this one. And you're going to put the time. So you could do 1 day after, time, whatever. So do activate. Okay, so now it's activated. So if you go back to the list, move that out of the way. Okay. Okay, so I didn't put it in the right spot. So it's right here. So what you can do when you do that, deactivate it. And then this gray button will be, the green button will turn gray. So if you click activate, I'm going to look and see what the list. So my last email is your last chance to transform. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to activate, and I'm going to look for your last chance to transform. Let's do 1 day. I'm going to click activate. And then you're going to see it at the bottom. So that's all you need to do in order to add an email to an existing campaign. And then you can do that over and over and over again without creating a new campaign, adding your customers to a new campaign. You could just continue on with the campaign that you currently have. If you like this video, go ahead and like the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and comment, and I'll be happy to do more quick tutorials on how to do things inside of Systeme.io. Thank you for watching.